What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. So we're gonna do slime fails hashtag slime completions. No, she didn't. Okay, so now here we go. So I'm gonna put some more. This is slime complete. No, failed. I think. I don't know. I don't know right now. Let's see. This is a slime fail. This is a slime fail right here, I think. So yeah. God. You do slime. Alright guys, so this is most satisfying. And the next slime is going to be not satisfying. So
let me hover over this.
hey, look at my nails. Come on.
It's like a perfect angle.
Alright, so now guys, we're gonna move on to slime fails. So
And they spend on butter slime.
yes.
This slime is too sticky.
When the slime is too sticky, guys.
When they don't pop the bubbles.
One finger poke. Okay, lame. So hold on.
When they use their
Look at
hands instead
hers.
of the potato.
No.
This love, this the new way. And there's a say goodbye.
So yes, guys. Okay, so we have 2 more slime fails
When the slime is not stretchy.
and the slime is not stretchy, guys. Okay, so thanks for watching this slime fail, this slime completion. Bye.